Good morning, happy geometry students. It is a beautiful day. Hey, let's do a quick review of yesterday. Yesterday, we said, hey, if we have any triangle, specifically an oblique triangle, we've busted away from needing to use right triangles. That if I know an angle and a side that's opposite of it, and I know another angle, and I'm looking for the side opposite of that, that I can use this relationship that the sine of angle A divided by the length of the side opposite of it, remember that's a value in your calculator, that's a value, is equal to the sine of angle B, which is a value in your calculator, divided by the length of the side opposite of that, and that's just a proportion and you can solve it. The thing I did not tell you is that this has a name, and the name of it is the law of sines. The law of sines. Do not break the law of sines. All right. The lettering here, the A and the B and the B is really arbitrary. If I were talking about this angle here and I called that, for example, C, there would be also another relationship here that I could extend the law of sines to say, hey, the sine of angle C divided by the side opposite of that. Or if I had sine of angle stick dog divided by length stick dog. Whatever. The lettering is arbitrary. So welcome to the law of sines. We're going to do two examples today. The first one, ooh, look, it's the return of stick dog. I just want to talk about how to set this one up, and then I'm going to trust that you can solve your own proportion. Law of sines says that the sine of this angle here, so sine 45, divided by the length opposite of it, stick dog, is equal to the sine of this angle here, sine 73, divided by the side opposite of that. Boom. And then you know how to do your proportions to solve for stick dog. I'm going to trust that I care about the setup today. Okay? Sine of this angle divided by that length is equal to the sine of this angle divided by that length. Okay, so you can solve that proportion on your own. I know you can. If you want to check in with me on an answer later today, hit me up. Okay, but example 2 is a little bit different, because example 2, I could start out by saying, hey, the sine of angle 28, that's no problem, that's no different, sine 28 degrees, divided by the side opposite is equal to the sine of 103 that's not the side I want. Here's the side I want, but oh my gosh, I don't know that angle. Or do I? Bum, bum, bum. I think I do know this angle because you know this and you know this. And if you know this and you know this, you know this by simple arithmetic. So first, find this guy. Okay, so 180 minus 103, that's 77 minus 28. That would be, 77. Minus 28, I'm going to think minus 30 plus 2, so 49. So this is 49 degrees. I think that's right. Okay. And then you can finish setting it up. Sine 49 degrees over x. And then you know how to solve that proportion. So, two different problem types. If you don't have the angle you need, find it. Otherwise, welcome to the law of sines. We're going to do two practice problems. The only other thing you need to know today is this word here, solve. Solve in the context of solve a triangle. When I say solve a triangle, it means find every missing thing. Find every angle, find every length. So in this case, you would have to find the missing angle here, which I hope we did with our arithmetic. We'd have to find this length here, which we have this proportion set up for, and then you'll have to find this missing angle here. Also using the law of science. Find everything. Find it all. Yay! The end. Have a great day. There are 2 problems posted for you on Canvas. Take a pick. Submit it. All right. Thanks, team.